Alright, this topic sounds really scary. I guess they all kind of do at times. This one just sounds so complex, and it's just not. It's called writing equations of the vertical or horizontal lines through a given point. So I'll lead up to it a little bit, just to kind of show you where these things come from. Yeah, alright, let me just... Basically what they're doing is they're giving you some point, and let's say that that point is at 3, -1. Whoops. Basically what they want you to tell them is what is the line that goes through it vertically, like this, and what is the line that goes through it horizontally, like that. What are the equations of those lines? And that just sounds terrifying. However, if you've worked with vertical or horizontal lines before, you know that they're one of the weirdo ones. They don't follow like y equals mx plus b. They're kind of off in their own realm, and they're not super hard. Just as a couple of things you want to put in your notes about vertical lines. Vertical lines, they are the ones that go up and down. And they have no slope. You could also say that they're undefined slope. And what else? Oh, and the form that they will always take, it will be x equals some number, whatever number you decide to put there, that's correct. So that's the quick gist of vertical lines. Similarly, we have horizontal lines, and they have some of their own quirks. So verticals go up and down, horizontals go sideways, kind of across the horizon is how people remember that. Their slope, any horizontal line will have a slope of 0, and the format that they will take will always be y equals some number, whatever the number is that you need that to be. So that's the gist of verticals and horizontal lines. Alright, so back to our original problem. Let's say we have this ordered pair 3, -1. Well, basically all you need to know is you want to list out the x value and the y value. So if I gave you the ordered pair 3, -1, which one's your x? That's 3, right? Which one's your y? Well, that's -1. So that's what your two equations are. Your vertical line is x equals 3, and your horizontal line is just x equals -1. You're just basically naming each of those points, and those are your equations. It's just that easy. They make the wording of the topic makes it sound, you know, crazy scary, but they're not that bad. Let's try another one. Zoom this stuff up if I can. Whoops. Okay. Let's say that we have the point, I don't know, I'm not sure. I'll just say we have the point 5, -10. So what are the horizontal and vertical lines that pass through this point? I'm going to write that down. What are the vertical and horizontal, I'm going to abbreviate that, lines that pass through this point? Again, think about it. And again, this is why I've said a lot of times, I say it a lot on these videos, is anytime you have an ordered pair, what do I want you to do? I want you to label it X, Y. Even if you're not even sure if that's going to help you at all, it's a good habit to get into. Sometime you might be on a, I don't know, the SAT or some test where you're not really used to what they're asking for, and labeling an ordered pair might like make your brain kind of jerk a little and be like, wait, that's the X value. What could I do with it? So sometimes just labeling things can really help out. Okay, so our x value is 5 and our y value is -10. So in other words, our vertical line is x equals 5 and our horizontal line is y equals -10. That is the answer to this problem, and I spent way much more time talking about it than I really needed to. Alright, one more. If I give you the point -36, 1/2, what are the vertical and horizontal lines that pass through the point? Well, here's your x, here's your y, those are your equations. X equals -36, that's your vertical. Y equals 1/2, that's your horizontal. It's just that easy. If it doesn't seem easy to you, come talk to me. In my mind, it's really clear when I'm telling it. But sometimes it's like, wait, I have a mental block. I don't understand what's going on, or I'm not explaining stuff enough or well enough. So come find me if you're not clear. Bye.